So that side works. This one, there's just a tiny little glow. I'm not sure if you can see. Oops. So we gotta pull that headlight out and change the LED bulb. The lights on these second gen Escalades actually come out really easily. There's a L kind of pin that comes out over here. So we're gonna remove that. And there's another one under here. Under there. So we'll just have to lift the edge of this plastic. Those two pins come off and then the whole assembly just comes out the front, and it's pretty easy to access after that. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Come on. Almost out, you. There we go. See? Just an L pin.